All right, today we are upgrading the shop with some lighting. From Hyperlite, I got the Hexagon lighting, pretty darn cool. Believe it's like 7 feet by 5 feet. So it's gonna be interesting trying to figure out the placement. I know you can kind of change the variations of this. The one that I got, it's 2 hexagons on each side and one in the middle, making that 7 feet by 5 feet. So trying to figure out where to put that to where it makes sense is gonna be probably the most difficult part, or annoying, I guess, besides being just absolutely exhausted. Yeah, pretty excited. Should be pretty straightforward until, like I said, figuring out a spot to put it. I mean, these are all really light, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. Basically, let's see if I can kind of do a little bit in real time here. You pop in this elbow joint, and then you build from there. Super simple. I'm probably making it seem much harder than it really is, but for, I believe, why did I say it like that? I believe this was about 55, 56 bucks on sale from 100 bucks. They seem to have a lot of great products, so I can see in the future that I'll buy some more, but enough talking. Let me figure this out, build it, and then I'll show you what I got. Woo! All right, so because of the space that I have right now, or at least finished, I decided to not go with the center part to make it 2, 1, and 2, which means it's very light, but it's like the sound of it makes it quick, quick, quick. I still have this left over. So what's nice is when I start building out more of these lights at different places, I can continue it or use it for a different section, or I believe I can just get another power cable and just maybe have that be its own little hexagon thing somewhere else. I'm kind of going like this, which I think is nice because I still have pockets to put shit there. I think I like this for now. It's pretty cool. I guess you can roast me in the comments with better ideas if you'd like, but this is what I'm gonna do. So, struggle. Let's work to get this hung up. The kit came with stuff for, well, putting it in drywall, which I don't have, but there's screws included, so that's pretty nice. So, all right, let's do it. Did I even press record? Okay, as long as it says okay. Whew. Because of my sloppy work up here, putting the pegboard on, I actually lucked out because it's holding that side up, so. Whew. All right, trying to make it level-ish. I think in the instructions it probably says to use a level, but I ain't got time for that. Let's check our handiwork. I'm okay with it. It's not like the most like cleanest ever, because I mean, the way I put the pegboard, there's a gap at the top, but like, dude, I think it's pretty cool. Let's give this, before I do any more of the screwing in and all that stuff, let me roll down, what is it called? Let me roll down the garage door, and that way we can see the lighting a little bit better. At least that breeze is helping. Come on, garage door, let's go. Let's hurry up here now. Booyah, baby. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No, stop. Dude, it was all the way to the bottom. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, dokie. I might have messed this up. On the outside, it has this joint. Obviously, you can see when there's 2 lights plugged into it, there's no access for the power cable. So I just needed to swap out probably this one right here with this one, so I have access to the power cable. I feel like I'm making this really difficult looking. I promise you it's not. Got power into that. And I'll make this look a little more tidy, but that's pretty sick. I like it. That's pretty cool. All right, we are done. Yeah. Pretty darn easy install, even though I made it look really difficult. But yeah, pretty straightforward, easy. Like I said before, the price point is pretty hard to beat. I mean, 56 bucks for this. And I even have a bunch more down here that I think I'll get some more of these adapters and maybe try and do another design or something like that. Of course, I need to work on my pegboard design. I'll keep this, but my only gripe with what I have here is just that it's not fully finished. But I mean, I have plans to do the insulation and drywall. So with that, I mean, it'll look so much better and it'll give me so much more space on the wall for more of these awesome lights. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Definitely recommend them. Hyperlite, all the information will be in the description. And if you have some already, or you're gonna get some, hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to help if I can. Just because it's so straightforward, I don't know if you need my help at all. But yeah, drop me a comment, say what's up, and yeah, thanks for watching. Woo!